Connecting your AirPods 4 to a Chromebook might not feel as automatic as pairing them with an iPhone, but the process is still simple once you know where to go. Since Chromebooks rely on standard Bluetooth settings instead of Apple's quick pairing system, you won't see the usual pop up animation. This can make it seem like your AirPods aren't being detected at first. The key is putting your AirPods into the correct pairing mode and then using your Chromebook's Bluetooth menu to connect them manually. Once the initial setup is done, your AirPods will reconnect automatically whenever Bluetooth is on, giving you a smooth wireless audio experience for videos, music, and calls. Try these. Step 1. Open the AirPods case with the earbuds inside. Step 2. On your Chromebook, click the time area in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Turn Bluetooth on from the quick settings panel. Step 4. Press and hold the setup button on the AirPods case until the light flashes white. Step 5. Select your AirPods from the list of available Bluetooth devices. Step 6. Confirm the connection and start using them for audio.